Modern life relies on a large number of products made of rubber and plastic. Although children's diapers, motorcycle vehicle tires, tens of thousands of plastic bags, and plastic bottles are extremely convenient to use, they have caused an environmental burden. Over the past 30 years, Geording has been actively involved in the rubber plastic extrusion and pelletizing industry. Not only can the company granulate new rubber and plastic materials, but it also converts used plastic wastes into reusable resources. We are constantly proposing better solutions, are committed to make our world a better place. Our application scope includes plastic recycling pelletizers, plastic crushing, washing, drying plant equipment, shredding, crushing plant equipment planning. We are proud of our reputation for providing high-performance machines. To ensure the best operational reliability of the machines, Geording's machines must undergo actual operation detection and correction before leaving the factory. 500 million metric tons of plastic are generated annually. 2 million plastic bags are used daily. 1 million plastic bottles are used per minute. One set of Geording's machine can convert 24 metric tons of waste into recycled plastic pellets per day, which can be produced into a wide variety of plastic products. With years of experience and expertise, we are able to provide whole plant design and manufacturing planning. We are confident that we can solve the difficult problems of rubber and plastic extrusion and pelletizing. The demand and quality requirements of plastic extrusion machines and plastic recycling in the world is increasing. The team at Geording is constantly striving for excellence and continues to provide better quality and services. Geording gives you the ability to change waste into a miracle.